I still remember the horrifying sound of my expensive oak floors warping and cracking after using a cheap, oversaturated mop. It was a disaster. Finding a steam mop that actually sanitizes without ruining delicate hardwood is a nightmare, filled with misleading claims and soggy messes. I've spent months testing the top steam mops on the market, risking my floors so you don't have to. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best steamers for hardwood floors. Stick around to the end, because the number 1 spot completely changed how I clean, and it might just save your floors too. 7. BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop for Hard Floors. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was excited by how incredibly lightweight it felt in my hands. Maneuvering it around the kitchen island was initially a breeze, and I thought I had found a fantastic budget-friendly option for quick daily cleanups. It heats up relatively fast, getting ready to produce steam in just about 30 seconds, which is always a plus when you're in a hurry to tackle a sudden spill before guests arrive. The 5-in-1 functionality sounds incredibly promising on paper, offering various attachments to theoretically handle different surfaces around the house. I tried out on my sealed hardwood, hoping for a streak-free, sanitized finish. It uses a standard microfiber pad that glides smoothly enough over smooth finishes, and the pivoting steering does help when trying to reach awkward angles under cabinets or around table legs. For a brief moment, it felt like a decent, straightforward cleaning companion that wouldn't break the bank and could easily be tucked away in a small closet. However, my optimism faded fairly quickly once I put to a real stress test on my wooden floors. The steam output on this unit is frustratingly inconsistent, often leaving behind large, wet puddles that made my heart race as I rushed to dry them before the moisture seeped into my hardwood seams. There is no variable steam control, meaning you are stuck with a single aggressive blast that feels way too saturated for delicate wood surfaces. I found myself constantly having to stop and wring out the pad because it just couldn't absorb the sheer volume of water being dumped onto the floor. 6. PurSteam ThermaPro 10-in-1 Steam Mop. This one heavily markets itself as the ultimate versatile cleaning tool, boasting a detachable handheld unit and an absolute mountain of accessories. Taking it out for its first spin, I appreciated the sheer ambition of the design. The idea of seamlessly transitioning from steaming my hardwood floors to sanitizing my kitchen grout with a handheld device is inherently appealing. It heats up in a flash, similar to the previous model, and the cord length is generous enough that I didn't feel tethered to a single outlet while working across the room. When using it in its standard upright configuration on my wood floors, the ThermaPro utilizes a specialized triangle-shaped head. I will admit, this design is genuinely quite clever for getting deep into corners where dust bunnies love to hide and thrive. The microfiber pads that come included are surprisingly thick and textured, providing a bit more mechanical scrubbing power than I anticipated. I managed to lift some dried-on mud near the entryway without using too much elbow grease, which gave me a momentary glimpse of hope for this deeply discounted machine. But that hope was short-lived once the actual steam mechanism began showing its flaws in real-world conditions. Despite having a dial that implies you can accurately control the steam level, the lowest setting still spits out heavy droplets of boiling water rather than a fine, dry mist. Hardwood floors require vapor, not rain, and the PurSteam constantly crossed that line during my testing. I noticed distinct watermarks left behind as it dried, forcing me to follow up with a dry towel just to protect the expensive finish of my wood. 5. Eufy MACH V1 Ultra Steam Version. This isn't just a steam mop. It's a completely cordless stick vacuum combined with a steam cleaner and ozone sanitization. The first time I fired this machine up, I felt like I was operating a piece of technology from a decade in the future. It operates entirely without a power cord, which is an absolute game changer when you're trying to weave around dining room chairs and large area rugs without constantly managing a trip hazard. The way this device handles hardwood is genuinely impressive and completely different from a standard mop. It utilizes a continuous clean water flow combined with a soft rolling brush, simultaneously vacuuming up dry debris while applying precisely measured 230-degree Fahrenheit steam. I threw a massive mess of crushed cereal and sticky syrup on my test floor, and the Mach V1 Ultra devoured it in a single, incredibly satisfying pass. The floor was left remarkably clean, and more importantly, it was almost completely dry within seconds. The onboard ozone generator also claims to kill 99.9% of germs, which gave me a great peace of mind. However, all this cutting-edge technology does come with a significant learning curve that you have to be prepared for. The device is quite heavy and bulky compared to traditional, streamlined steam mops, making it a bit of a workout to push around for extended periods, especially if you have a multi-story home. It also speaks to you, providing loud voice prompts about water levels and battery life, which I found slightly annoying after the first few uses. Furthermore, the self-cleaning cycle, while convenient, requires a dedicated, bulky docking station that takes up a considerable amount of floor space in your closet or utility room. 4. Shark, steam, and scrub with steam blaster. Instead of dragging a single flat pad across the floor, this mop features 2 rotating, circular scrubbing pads that do all the hard physical work for you. When I turned it on, the machine practically propelled itself forward across my hardwood floors. The effortless gliding sensation is incredible. You just gently guide it with one hand while the dual pads scrub away at over 150 rotations per minute, lifting dirt I didn't even know was there. What really elevates this Shark model for hardwood specifically is the highly intelligent steam control. It features 3 distinct settings: light, normal, and deep. For my delicate oak floors, the light setting was an absolute dream. It dispensed a very fine, gentle veil of steam that activated the cleaning pads without leaving any dangerous puddles behind. The floors dried beautifully clear and streak-free in a matter of moments, looking completely refreshed. It felt incredibly safe, yet highly effective at lifting the everyday, invisible grime that slowly dulls the shine of natural wood over time. Then there is the titular steam blaster feature, which is a targeted nozzle that shoots a concentrated burst of steam directly in front of the mop head. I found this incredibly useful for those stubborn, dried-on muddy paw prints my dog constantly leaves by the back door. Instead of endlessly scrubbing or bending over, I just blasted the spot with steam for 3 seconds, and the rotating pads effortlessly wiped it away on the next pass. It's a smart, practical feature that saves your back and completely eliminates the need to scrape at the floor with your fingernails. 3. Tineco Floor 1 S5 Steam. Tineco has been making huge waves in the smart cleaning space, and rigorously testing this unit showed me exactly why they have such a loyal following. Like the eufy, this is a wet-dry vacuum that cleverly incorporates hot steam, but the execution here feels incredibly refined and tailored specifically for optimizing hard floors. As soon as I started it up, the iLoop smart sensor technology blew me away. It visually displays the floor's dirtiness level on a stunning LED screen, turning from a harsh red to a reassuring blue as the floor becomes genuinely clean. The steam functionality on the S5 is remarkably sophisticated and highly protective of wood. It doesn't just continuously dump steam blindly. It intelligently adjusts the water flow, suction power, and roller speed based on the specific mess it detects in real time. When I took it across my hardwood, I noticed that the moisture left behind was absolutely minimal. The suction immediately pulls up the dirty, condensed steam water into a completely separate tank, meaning you are never pushing dirty water around your delicate wood grains. My floors were not only sanitized by the high-temperature steam, but also left completely dry to the touch in record time. I also deeply appreciated the innovative edge cleaning design of the roller head. Unlike many other bulky all-in-one machines, the Tineco allows the brush to get within millimeters of the baseboards, effectively cleaning those annoying, dusty perimeters that most traditional mops completely miss. The combination of simultaneous vacuuming, washing, and steaming literally cut my cleaning time in half. I didn't have to sweep, then mop, then wait 10 minutes for the floor to dry. It all happened seamlessly in one smooth, highly efficient motion across the room. 2. Bissell PowerFresh Slim 3-in-1. If you want a dedicated steam mop that flawlessly balances exceptional hardwood safety with brilliant whole home versatility, this is where you start paying serious attention. Right out of the box, the slim, incredibly streamlined design caught my eye. It is remarkably light, making it an absolute joy to maneuver around furniture legs and glide smoothly under tight cabinet toe kicks in the kitchen. When I tested it on my living room floor, the swivel steering was so perfectly responsive it felt like an extension of my own arm. The steam delivery system on this Bissell is wonderfully calibrated for sensitive wood surfaces. It offers a manual, on-demand steam trigger, which is, in my professional opinion, a mandatory feature for anyone serious about protecting their hardwood. You are in complete, absolute control of exactly how much moisture hits the floor at any given second. I could hold it down for durable tile and merely pulse it gently when transitioning over my sensitive hardwood planks. The microfiber pad evenly distributes the heat, effortlessly dissolving sticky kitchen spills without ever pooling water, leaving a beautiful, natural shine without any chemical residue. What truly elevates this above a standard mop is the ingenious 3-in-1 design. The main extension wand effortlessly detaches, leaving you with a highly capable, pressurized handheld steamer, and Bissell cleverly stores all the accessory brushes right on the machine itself. I took the handheld unit to my grimy kitchen backsplash and bathroom grout, and the focused steam pressure easily blasted away years of buildup in seconds. 1. Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Scrubbing and Sanitizing. After rigorously testing all these machines over the last few months, this is the one that permanently earned a spot in my own cleaning closet. It doesn't try to be a vacuum, and it doesn't try to be a handheld steamer. It simply focuses entirely on being the absolute best, most reliable floor steamer ever designed. From the very moment I powered on, the build quality felt vastly superior to anything else in its price bracket. It feels remarkably sturdy, perfectly balanced, and ready for years of heavy, daily use. The performance on hardwood is nothing short of flawless. It features 2 continuous steam settings, smartly placed right on the handle. The low setting is the absolute holy grail for hardwood floors. It produces a perfectly consistent, ultra-dry vapor that heats the thick, luxurious microfiber pad just enough to sanitize and lift embedded dirt, without leaving even a drop of standing water behind. My floors dried instantaneously as I pulled the mop backward across the grain. For the first time, I felt zero anxiety about moisture seeping into my wood joints. The glide is incredibly smooth, and it tackles large open areas with breathtaking speed. But the absolute genius of this machine lies in the spot boost brush. Whenever I encountered a heavily dried-on mess, like a hardened piece of dropped food or sticky sap tracked in from outside, I didn't have to bend down or grab a separate tool. You simply push a sturdy pedal with your foot. The main pad gracefully detaches, and it reveals a stiff bristled scrubbing brush built directly into the base.